Hello, today I'm going to show you a very quick intro into Domo App Studio. Now, Domo App Studio is this very good user experience on how to display data. It's like a dashboard, but you could do a lot more with it. So let's get into it. If you go to the top right here, this little rocket ship, you click it, you're going to see apps. And we have these different apps here, and you'll have different samples and whatnot. I have one. I just like to show you what this thing is. So I'm going to open up this demo app that I have, and I'm going to go to View. Now, an app is like a dashboard, but look, I can have different tabs at the top, and this allows me to have all the information I want in one spot. So imagine you have a different organization or you have a client, you could have all their stuff right here instead of having multiple dashboards that they have to go to. So that's one thing that's very distinct about App Studio versus a regular dashboard with multiple dashboards they would have to use. Furthermore, we could have tabs right here, these little tabs. So I can click, hey, here's a logo. Here's what this stats looks like if I want to, another tab. That's pretty cool. So instead of having to keep going down, 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 you could just have all the pieces you need right there to show you some insights. Very, very cool stuff. And the rest of it works just like a regular dashboard where you can drag and drop a lot of things in there. Now, there are a couple different features that are really exclusive to App Studio that are not in a regular dashboard. The first one is this, a button. Check this out. I can program a button. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to click these little three dots on the top, hit that little edit button. And if I hit this plus sign, I have all these things in here that we would normally get with a regular dashboard. A header, those tab things I showed you, spacers if I want to create some extra space, like this, so I can make it a little bit smaller. I could do that. But one that I really want to show you is this button right here. You put that button in there, I click it, I can program a button to do something. Right now it's set to be no action. But what's super cool is you could program a button to open up something else if you want to, or you could have it start a workflow. Now imagine that. You have an app, you click a button, you could start a workflow such as refreshing a data set or sharing this with somebody else. That's pretty cool. That's something you cannot do in a Domo dashboard right now. Furthermore, there are a couple other things. You could just put a workflow in here, queue. We have a couple other features. Forms is another really cool one that we're going to get to later, but that's a very quick intro into App Studio. Hey, do you want to learn how to use App Studio? You're in luck. I'm the one to help. Check this out. Hey, so if you want to learn to master Domo App Studio, I'm the person to help you out. I have all these courses on how to get better at Domo, and one of them is specifically how to use Domo App Studio. So what you get in this course is you'll get an intro to what is App Studio, this thing about themes and colors and all this stuff. But what you're also going to do is you're going to build an app with me. I'm going to do it, and you're going to follow along so that you can do it as well. And the big test, we're going to do this demo walkthrough right here. This is going to be a big one. We're going to start from scratch together. I give you a data set to use, and we're going to make a whole thing, and you're going to get your hands on the App Studio, and you're going to learn what it means to make an app. Furthermore, you get a 14-day trial with Dashboard Dudes. All you have to do is sign up, 14 days, give it a shot. In addition to getting this app, you can get all of the courses that I have. For instance, you can get my 101, 201, 301, 401, how to use bricks, data science, a bunch of other things. You get 30 minutes with me free. So if you want to learn how to go do something, you just have a very specific question, I'll help you out. You get access to my FAQ library and a couple other things. So anyway, give that a shot. Hope App Studio helps you out. And if anything, try signing up to do the demo walkthrough so you could really understand how to use Domo. All right, talk to you later. Bye.